What's up everyone? In this video I'll show you how to turn your own voice into a song using AI, and that's using a tool called or a website called Suno. Now Suno is a great website that allows you to create a full song from voice or vocals to instruments. It has it all. Now let's get started. First you need to go to suno.com, create an account if you don't already have one. The creation process or the account creation process is pretty easy, simple and straightforward. And then you will be landed on your home screen right here. Now you want to go here to the create tab from the menu on the left, and as you can see, these are my past creations. Now here you have a few options. You can enter your own lyrics or you can write them with Suno. We'll get to that in a bit later in the video. Add the style of music, some other settings, and then create. And you have the option also to make it as an instrumental, so only music with no voice. And that's all with the custom option. Now, if you uncheck it, you can enter the song description and create right away. And if you have your voice recorded or you have a recording that you want to use for the song, you can upload it from here, or alternatively, you can record your own voice. So if I click on upload audio, okay, agree to terms. And here you can drag and drop or upload your audio files or record audio directly from within this window. So now I'm going to record like a few sentences to be the base of our song. Okay, so click on record audio. It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day. Okay, I know I don't have the best voice around, but that should do. Of course, you can here trim the excess that you don't want. So I'm going to trim the beginning and the end and save the trimmed audio. And here I can add a title. So let's name it Beautiful Day. And it even like chooses a thumbnail which matches the vibes of the song, which is pretty cool. So now confirm and save. Now, as you can see here, our song is now added. Of course, it doesn't have but 6 seconds of the 2 sentences that I did sing. But what you want to do here is to click on extend. Note that if you do like play with these settings right here right away, they won't edit your song. However, they will create or it will create a new song. So what you want to do to like extend or to edit this song further, add like music, instruments, and like tones and what's not, to click on extend. So I want to click on extend right here. And now it's ready to edit. So as you can see, it does extend from my own song, Beautiful Day, that I uploaded. And now we want to enter your lyrics. You can go ahead and enter the lyrics if you already have lyrics ready, or go to ChatGPT and other similar tools to generate the lyrics, or you can write them directly with Suno AI's model. So here you can go with the classic or the Remy. I'll go with the classic with this video since it's more like consistent. So I'm gonna go ahead and tell it to write lyrics for a smooth jazz song called Beautiful Day. Adding these 2 sentences. It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day. Okay, and now click on write lyrics. It'll take some time and generate some lyrics. And here you have 2 versions. You're gonna go ahead and like read them and choose which one you like the most. Okay. So both are good. However, let's say I do like the second version better. So accept this option and it'll add them. Here you want to go ahead and add the style of music. So let's say for example jazz. Okay, and here you get other types like acid jazz, swing, funk. Let's add acid jazz. And you can go ahead and add as many styles as you want. So add a title here. Of course, this is the original song that I recorded and I want to extend from. You can add it to a workspace. And up top here, you have the option to make it as an instrumental only, so only music with no vocals. Okay, everything's set. Now click on extend. And here you wanna like match the theme, so it's like a way to make sure you're human. So this one, this one, this one. Okay, next. This one, this one, this one. So it's a deep ocean view. And now it started creating. So as you can see, it creates two versions of the song. It'll take some time and then the two versions will be ready. So here they are. You can go ahead and listen to them. So listen to the first one.
Morning whispers like a gentle breeze, sunlight dancing through the trees.
Okay, sounds good. Let's listen to the next one.
Morning whispers like a gentle breeze.
I do like the second one more since it's in line with the style that I have in mind when I like thought of the song. Okay, so here you can of course go ahead and create or extend the song even more, adding more details and more lyrics. Of course, it's still generating right now. We did listen to like a part of it. However, the full song is still generated. As you can see, it's not done yet. And it doesn't show us the song time. This will take like a couple of minutes to generate the full song. You can go ahead and like it. You can go ahead and share it. You can edit the song details or crop the song. You can make it with link only or public. You can go ahead and download the MP3 audio or even a video, which will be like a lyrics video with the thumbnail showing in the background. If you want to, you can have it. And you can report it or even delete it. So once you wait for the two full versions of the song to be generated, okay, so all you have to do now is wait for the two versions to be generated. And as I told you, I do prefer the second one more. And now they did finish generating. So now you can go ahead and extend it even more, adding more details with the same style, or go ahead and create like a cover song, which is for the Pro, make persona and other stuff. You can go ahead and download it as an MP3 or a video, a lyrics video with the thumbnail in the background, as I told you. And if I try to click on extend, if I try to click on extend here, you can see here I can extend from the 3 minutes and 52 seconds which is the full length of the song. Okay, the details of the song are still here. Let's add, for example, let's throw in rap français as like for fun, just for fun, to see how it'll do, and then extend. And as you can see, it'll create two more versions. However, these versions will be based on this song that we chose, so the second full song, Beautiful Day, and they will not be like created from scratch. So wait for them to be fully like generated. However, we can still listen to the first part.
It's a beautiful day. Birds are singing, skies are clear.
Okay, listen to the second one.
It's a beautiful day. Birds are singing, skies are clear.
Okay, here, let's say I like the first one more. I can still go ahead and wait for it to generate, download it, and everything. So as you can see, the two other versions, the two newest versions, are based on the original song with the same lyrics. However, they did a twist on the style and like the instruments. At the end of the day, you can go ahead and tweak your song details to your liking and go ahead and download the style that you want. So that is pretty much it. That's how easy it is to use Suno AI to create amazing songs to use from scratch or even from lyrics that you do have or even generated with AI.